Buying BUSD in a Trust wallet is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, open your web browser. Here, search for CoinMarketCap. Tap to open its official website. Once you're in, tap on the search icon. Here, search for BUSD and tap to open it from the results. Scroll down and copy the contracts link given on this page. After that, simply open your Trust wallet. Once you're here, paste the copied link in the search bar given here. You'll have different options from the results. Tap on the BUSD and now you can buy it from here. Just choose the best deal for you. Once you have selected, tap on the buy option available here. Tap on the next button to complete this transaction. By clicking on the buy now button, your purchase will be done.